We've built some very interesting vehicles in the last couple of years. We started with the Scalar SCR1, which is the first all-electric touring car racing against combustion. Taken so many of the learnings from that, and we've applied it to many other projects, including a heavy-duty truck for a mining company. Hi, I'm Brian Bourne, co-founder of Scalar Performance.
And I'm Joel Fillets, co-founder of Scalar Performance.
Our shop is rather unique in that it's founded by two very different backgrounds. Joel's a mechanic and master mechanic, and myself, I come from a tech background, cybersecurity and technology, software. And so really, if you look at any modern vehicles and modern performance, it's really a combination of software and mechanical. And so between us, we cover a lot of ground. When you think about electric performance, you think about, of course, the instant torque, but when they're in abusive environments or high stress environments, like racing, things like thermal management and software calibrations really come to head, and that's where we have deep expertise. Together, we provide expertise for modern performance in a modern era.
Our goal with Scalar Performance is to take all the learnings and challenges that we faced in this industry and share them with you guys so that you guys can see the challenges we faced and the solutions that we've come up with.
Certainly from my tech background, I've learned sharing information is good for everybody in the industry, and so hopefully you find lots of value in this channel as we share what we learn as we learn it. These projects have given us great expertise in EV powertrain engineering, software calibration, and modern vehicle integration.
With this knowledge of pushing technology to the limit, we can offer services to you for your project.
If you're a business or individual with an interesting project, please reach out.